Dear students, in previous video, we have learnt about postulates of Bohr theory of hydrogen atom. Now we will see its importance. Stability of atom. According to Bohr's theory, an electron does not lose or gain energy while revolving in a particular orbit. It means the electron will revolve around the nucleus continuously in the fixed orbit and hence it will not fall in the nucleus, and so atom remains stable. Energy of electron in an orbit. If an electron is revolving in nth orbit, then the expression of energy of electron in nth orbit is given as En equals to minus RH into bracket 1 upon n square, where n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on, and RH is equals to Rydberg constant, which is equal to 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joules. Dear students, a free electron is free from influence of nucleus and it is thought to present at n is equals to infinity. So, if we put this value in this equation, then we get E infinity is equals to minus RH into bracket 1 upon infinity square, which is equals to 0. But the energy of free electron is considered to have maximum value. So the energy of electrons present in orbits near nucleus must be less than 0. That is, n is less than infinity and E is less than 0. That's why the sign of energy is negative to indicate energy lower than 0, that is maximum value. Accordingly, energy of ground state, that is, for n equals to 1, energy E1 equals to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 into 1 upon 1 square, which is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joules. For n is equals to 2, we have E2 equals to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 into 1 upon 2 square, which is equal to minus 0.545 into 10 raised to minus 18 joules. Radius of Bohr orbit. Radius of Bohr orbit is expressed as Rn is equals to n square into A0, where A0 is equals to 52.9 picometer. Therefore, radius of first orbit R1 is equal to 1 square into A0, which is equals to 52.9 picometer. As the value of n increases, the radius increases, and so electrons always remains away from nucleus. Bohr's theory applied to ions. Similar to hydrogen, this theory can also be applied to ions that contain only one electron. For example, He+, Li2+, Be3+. The energy of electron present in nth orbit of such ions is given as En equals to minus RH into bracket Z square upon N square, where N is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on, and Z is the atomic number of respective element. Similarly, radius of nth orbit is given as Rn is equals to 52.9 n square upon Z picometer.